It didn't start as a business, it started as a mission to protect. In 2020, when Lake Michigan levels rose and shorelines disappeared overnight, we stepped in to help families hold on to what mattered most.
We didn't have any crazy equipment or anything. We just had our pickups. It was me and Mason and a couple other guys, and just a lot of work ethic and long hours working in the hot sun on the beach.
That season taught us what real determination looked like. Our clients trusted us with their home, their view, their investment, their peace of mind, and that weight shaped the way we work to this day. As the lake settled, our role shifted as well, from protecting to restoring, rebuilding bluffs, reshaping dunes, and regaining lost access. And from that, a deeper vision started to take root. We realized we could offer something more, a truly integrated approach to custom outdoor spaces, construction and landscaping, design and execution, all under one roof, one team, one shared vision. Today, Lakeshore Customs is a full custom outdoor design build firm. We specialize in luxury decks, custom beach chairs, engineered aluminum stair systems, and high-end hardscapes. What we really build is the backdrops to your best moments. Mornings on the deck, evenings around the fire, and memories that last.
So it all starts with the design process. We would have a salesman meet you on site. They would walk through the project with you and help you visualize what's possible. From 2D layouts to 3D renderings to fully immersive virtual reality.
When you can visualize yourself living in it, when you feel it before it's built, that's when it becomes real. This isn't just about decks and stairs, it's about transforming the way you live outside. We're proud to partner with some of the best product manufacturers in the industry, and our own team of craftsmen, designers, and problem solvers bring it all together with one standard: excellence.
We don't cut corners, we don't compromise, we put God first in everything that we do, and we treat every project like it's our own backyard.
If you're dreaming of a space that truly fits your life, designed with purpose and built to last, we'd be honored to transform that vision into reality.
This is Lakeshore Customs, designed and built for you.